Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. The title of our today's video is How to Add Facebook Leads to Google Sheets for FMCG Products. So I'm running an FMCG business, and to promote my business I'm running lead ads, and I wish that as soon as a new lead is received in my Facebook lead ads, automatically the details of that lead should be added to my Google Sheets too. For this, we have to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets. To create this integration, we are using Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing automation software. In Pabbly, we have the concept of trigger and action. So for trigger, we are using Facebook lead ads, and for action, we are using Google Sheets. If you want to learn this process step by step, follow me through the screen. Welcome to my screen. So as you know, in this video you are going to understand how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for your FMCG business. So as you can see that I am running an FMCG business named Black and Spicy, and to promote my business I am running lead ads, and I wish that as soon as a new lead is received in my lead ad, automatically that lead should be captured in my Google Sheets too. For this, we have to create an integration between Facebook and Google Sheets. To create this integration, we are going to use Pabbly. It's an amazing automation software. So to start with Pabbly, we are going to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect. And then we are going to click on enter, and yes, you can see that we have opened the landing page of Pabbly, and over here we have two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free and you'll get 100 of tasks free every month. But I'm an existing user, so I'm going to click on sign in. And now it is opening all Pabbly apps. Over here you can see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video we are going to use Pabbly Connect because we want to connect to applications, that is Facebook lead ads with our Google Sheets. So now I'm going to click on access now. And over here it is opening my dashboard, and to start with the automation I'm going to click on this button right over here which says create workflow. And then it is asking me the folder I want to save my workflow in and the workflow name. So I want to save my workflow in this folder which says Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets automations. And I want to name my workflow as add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for FMCG sector. And now I'm going to click on create. And yes, you can see that I have opened my workflow window. And this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. By this you can understand that the trigger is the commander for the workflow and actions follow the command. And as you know that we can have only a single commander but multiple followers. So over here we can have only a single trigger but multiple actions following the command of our trigger. And now I'm going to select my trigger application as Facebook lead ads. And then it is asking me for the trigger event. So I am going to select my trigger event as new lead instant. I am selecting new lead instant because I want that as soon as a lead is submitted, instantly Pabbly should capture the response and trigger the workflow. And then I am going to click on connect. And then it is asking me to add a new connection or select the existing connection. So if you have already connected your Facebook lead ads account with your Pabbly's workflow, you can click on select existing connection. But I'm going to click on add a new connection and then connect with Facebook lead ads. And then I'll select my account and click on continue. And yes, you can see that we have successfully connected our Facebook lead ads account with our Pabbly's workflow. And over here you can see connected. After that, it is asking me the page and the lead gen form. So for page, I'm going to select Black and Spicy. And for the lead gen form, I'm selecting lead form because I want only the leads of this particular form should be added to my Google Sheets. If you want to create this automation for all your lead gen forms, you can also select all lead gen forms. And if you want to learn how to create a new lead gen form, you can check out our YouTube channel. And then I'm going to click on save and send test request. And now it is saying waiting for a webhook response. This means that Pabbly is waiting to capture a response. So we are going to generate a dummy response for Pabbly. We'll open a new tab and then search for Meta for developers. And as you can see that this is the landing page of Meta for developers. And over here we'll go on more and then tools. And then we are going to select lead ads RTO debug tool. And yes, you can see that we have successfully opened our lead ads testing tool, and now it is asking me the page and the form. So for page I'm going to select Black and Spicy, and for form I'm selecting lead form, and then I'm going to click on preview form. And now it is saying please fill this form. So I'll fill in the dummy details as demo user, the dummy email as demo@pabblytudes.com and the dummy phone number as this, and then I'm going to click on next and submit. And yes, you can see that it is saying your test lead has been sent. This means that Pabbly has captured our response. So we'll go to our workflow. And yes, you can see that Pabbly has captured our response. Here's the dummy name, the dummy email, and the dummy phone number that we entered. This means that our trigger step is successful, and now we are moving on to our action step. So for our action application, we are going to select Google Sheets. And then for the action event, we are going to select add a new row. And then we are going to click on connect. And again, it is asking me to add a new connection or select the existing connection. So if you have already connected your Google Sheets account with your Pabbly's workflow, you can click on select existing connection. But I'm going to click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. And then I selected my Gmail account, and now I'm going to click on allow. And yes, you can see that we have successfully connected our Google Sheets account with our Pabbly's workflow. Over here, you can see connected. And now it is asking me the spreadsheet name and the sheet name. So as you know, the name of our spreadsheet is Facebook Leads and the name of our sheet is FMCG. So I'll select the name of the spreadsheet as Facebook Leads and the name of the sheet as FMCG. And now it is asking me the name, the phone number, and the email. So we are going to map all these details. Mapping means inserting the data from the previous step. And as you know, our previous step was the trigger step, where we selected Facebook Lead Ads as our trigger application. So we are going to map the data from the response of our trigger application only. So over here, I'll open the response and I'll map the full name as demo user, the phone number as this, and then the email as demo@pabblytudes.com. We mapped all these data. This means all this data is dynamic and will change with every new lead. So I'm going to click on save and send test request again. And yes, you can see that we have received a positive response. This means that our data has been added to our Google Sheet. So I'll open my Google Sheet. And yes, you can see the name as demo user, the dummy phone number, and the dummy email has been added to our Google Sheets too. This means that our automation is successful. So we'll just try the workflow once again. So I'll open my lead ads testing tool, delete the previous lead and refresh the page. It is really important to delete the lead and refresh the page, otherwise you'll not be able to preview the form or create a new lead. And then we are going to select our page as black and spicy again and our form as lead forms. After that, I'm going to click on preview form. And I'll again fill in the details as Pabbly Connect Test, email as test@pabblytudes.com, and a dummy phone number. After that, we are going to click on next and then submit. And yes, you can see your test lead has been sent again. This means that lead ads testing tool has sent our lead to Pabbly's workflow. Pabbly captured the response and forwarded the lead to our Google Sheet. So we don't have to go to our workflow again and click on save and send test request. We'll directly go to our Google Sheets and check that if the details have been added or not. And yes, you can see Pabbly Connect Test, the dummy phone number, and the dummy email has been added to our Google Sheets too. This means that our automation is successful, and we'll just summarize the workflow once. So for our trigger application, we selected Facebook Lead Ads. For our trigger event, we selected New Lead Instant. We connected our Facebook Lead Ads account with our Pabbly's workflow, and then we selected the page and the lead gen form. After that, we clicked on save and send test request. Pabbly said waiting for a webhook response, so we generated a dummy response for Pabbly. And then we moved on to our action step. For our action application, we selected Google Sheets. For our action event, we selected add a new row, and then we connected our Google Sheets account with our Pabbly's workflow. After that, we selected the spreadsheet, the sheet. We mapped the details like name, phone number, and email. And after that, we clicked on save and send test request again. With this, our automation is finished. And if you have any query related to the workflow or the video, you can directly comment on this video. And for your reference, I'll just clone the workflow and give you the workflow link in the description box. Thank you for watching. Not only these two applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can integrate many more applications. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this website. And if you find this video helpful, do like and subscribe our channel for more such automations. Thank you.